pain. Our mothers' tears, they fall like rain. We've lost our sons, our daughters too, and still you fight for power while we lose. Shame on you, Tigray's leaders. While the people bleed, you fight for the throne. Our lands are hell, our cries unheard. You turn away, lost in your own world. The people suffer, their hearts torn, but you keep chasing power. You were never born for this. Our homes are gone, the camps are full. Tigray is broken, your hearts are dull. We beg for peace, but you turned your ear. Now the suffering's deeper, we live in fear. Shame on you, Tigray's leaders. While the people bleed, you fight for the throne. Our lands are hell, our cries unheard. You turn away, lost in your own world. The people suffer, their hearts torn, but you keep chasing power. You were never born for this. Where is the justice? Where is the care? How can you fight when the people despair? The blood is on your hands, the tears on the ground, but you're blinded by power, deaf to the sound. Shame on you, Tigray's leaders. While the people bleed, you fight for the throne. Our lands are hell, our cries unheard. You turn away, lost in your own world. The people suffer, their hearts torn, but you keep chasing power. You were never born for this. Where is the drive that you don't see? Tigray cries for a future, yet you're bound to be free. You turned your back, now it's too late. For the people of Tigray, it sealed their fate. Hafidenako, Gunukwa Feletnako. Hafidenako, Gunukwa